Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. This is the current state, I should say, of my 1959 Berkeley. Let me go around. It's been a while. I didn't realize how long it had been since I talked about the car and where it is. Let me get my shadow out of there. This is early 2026. It's been much longer to get an update than I thought. I don't really do much YouTube stuff, but here I am. So let me just gloss over. If you've been following this build, you know where it's come from. And what is it, guys? 6 or 7? Oh God, did I say 6, 7? I teach high school. 7 or 8 years, maybe. So here it is. 1959 Berkeley. This one's modified pretty heavily. If you've been following, she's got let me go under the hood and I'll show you. First, finish the walk around. So here she is. Super small car. Here's the interior as she looks now. Not done. Still not done. But I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to go cosmetic. She's been in service now. I think it's been 7 years. No, that's not true. Oh, I getting hung up in my numbers. I want to say, guys, I have 7,000 miles on it right now. Yeah, so she's been at it for a while. So here I've done some rallies with it. And I'm really proud of those because, man, some of those are some difficult rallies out here in California. Difficult in a good way. We go out and bomb around and have a great time. Let me show you the motor if you're new to the build, or even if you've been watching for a long time. Things are coming together. The motor is out of a 2000 Honda VFR 800, a Honda Interceptor. And let me come around after this guy goes by. Here, I'll come over here. But yeah, she's crammed in there pretty tight. You can see there's just not much room for anything. I know this is a review, but indulge me. The motor's been turned sideways. It used to be a motorcycle, obviously. Now where the sprocket is a drive shaft coupling that goes down the center of the car. And now the car is rear wheel drive. Let me see if I can pop the trunk such as it is. Hang on, guys. There we go. So I've crammed the independent rear suspension back in there. Since I last updated, now I've got an 8-gallon fuel cell. One of the most expensive pieces on this car is that year of manufacture plate here in California. My wife just about flipped out when she found out what I spent for that. Anyway, so here she is. Back in generally good shape. The reason I'm doing this update is because, shame on me, I should have done it a long time ago. But I'm getting ready to tear it all back apart. I've got some minor, there she goes. I've got some minor issues. I've got a check engine light that's coming through. I think I might have a ground fault somewhere. It's just some other little stuff. I'm gonna get a little more aggressive with the clutch springs. I think I'm getting ready to go to paint this this season, maybe this spring. I'm a high school teacher, so when I find time, ideally, I'm thinking maybe you can weigh in. I'm thinking of British Racing Green. I do my own paint work, so I'm not that good. So maybe I'll just paint it white and cover all my sins. I don't know. Anyway, there she is. That's the update, and as soon as I get it stripped and naked, I'll go over it again. I don't want to say in its final form, but it's about as technologically advanced as this one's going to get. So back in a little while with an update. Thanks for following. I appreciate it.